So what's the problem with this Kia? This Kia is broken. Can you fix the engine? Yeah, okay. I'll go get it. Okay, let me see how I'm gonna play. Number one, ingredients. Gonna leave it. Approximately 24 hours later. Let me see, it's done. Still no. I'm gonna tell my boys. Boys, come here. Hey, bro, what's up? Yeah, like, what's going on? And you can know about this. Boys, you know why I called you? Because this engine is broken. This Kia's engine is broken. Fine, whatever, come on. Oh my gosh, are you serious? It's not cool. Let's go, boys. Yeah. It's still not me. It's still not me again? Hold on, it's not working again. Yeah, it worked. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something. It's $50 for this. What, $50? I don't have that money. I ain't got. Oh man. Oh no, I don't have.